My fifth technology is called Shobi. This is an app that my students have on their iPad and I also have on my computer. And students can easily turn in digital assignments, and it's really easy for me to hand out assignments. It's a lot like Google Classroom. I think it's a little bit easier to use. It's more user-friendly if you're just kind of starting out in the world of sending out things digitally to students. And it's really good for primary grades. So here is the app. After you log in, you can create a new class. So when you create a new class, it gives a classroom code. You can't make your own code, but you can maybe pick one that's a little bit easier. You save the class, and then all students need to do is go to Shobi and they click Join Class and enter in the code, and they are in. So then you can add an assignment. I have more than 10 assignments right now. That is one of the downfalls. But you put in an assignment. Here is a party planning project, and the kids can make a copy of it. And then they also upload their finished projects. So a lot of times it's really easy for them just to take a screenshot. So here they were working in Excel doing planning a party for math, and they just took a screenshot of their Excel sheet and then uploaded it to me, and then I can grade it, I can write comments, I can add more things to give them, I can give them a grade. So it's a lot like Google Classroom. I just think it's a lot more user friendly. I think it's something that I would recommend to teachers who are just starting out using iPads in the classroom or using MacBooks or something. It's easy to try and you can't really mess it up.